Welcome to the timegram walkthrough. In the next few minutes I'll show you how timegram works and how your team can actually use it day to day. Quick context first. Timegram is built for product teams and agencies who want clear visibility into how work gets done across the team. Let's get into it. This is what you see when you sign up for the first time and log into your account. You'll get sample data to play around. The first and most important step is to download the desktop tracker app. This tracker allows your team to record activities against different tasks assigned to them. Now let's look at the main dashboard where you get an overview of your team's performance as soon as you log in. At a glance, you can see your team's daily and weekly progress, working capacity, and more. You can look at individual team members and see their project, tasks, progress, and more. You get to see how much time they have spent during the day and how much capacity they have left for more work. You can switch between dates too. You can access projects they are working on directly, see the time they have spent on it during the week, and see the tasks under the project. You can assign status, priority, and add more team members to the project from the same window. You can further drill down into individual tasks, make changes, and add details. You can also check the activity log where you'll see clearly on which user has spent time on which activities. Going back to the details, you can add description for further context and notes for the team members. Coming back to the dashboard, you can filter it based on team and date range. Now let's head to the tracker. Here all your recorded activities from the desktop tracker appear once you have installed it. Logging into the tracker is really easy. Just open the desktop app from your system tray, click Login and it will automatically connect your account with the tracker just like that. Tracker records activities in two ways. One is the start-stop timer for specific projects. The other is automatic tracking where you let the app track everything and you can choose and log the activities later. We'll let it run for a while and come back later to see the activities in the tracker section. Now we are in the projects section. This is your planning hub where you can manage all your projects and tasks, and see status and progress on them. You have several filtering options available too to view specific projects. Creating a project, you can assign status, teams, priority, add tags and even add a client so that they can be easily billed later on. You can add tasks directly to and assign them to your team. The team section is where you invite team members, add their capacity and hourly rates, and assign them roles choosing from admin, manager, and user. You can edit team members and edit details like job title, hourly rates, and capacity, along with remote hours allowed to them. In the clients section, you can add and manage clients for easy project progress tracking and billing. And also edit information when hourly rates and other details change. Let's quickly review the invoices section. Here you can add, edit and download invoices automatically generated from the time and activities tracked by your team members. Just select the project, client, set the duration of work, and your invoice is ready to be sent as a polished PDF. The last stop is the Insights module. It is your performance reporting hub, where you get a consolidated view of all working patterns and productivity, allowing you to see your team's performance based on their logged hours and activities. Let's look at timesheets first. Here you get a complete snapshot of what specific employees have been up to. You can see logged and unlogged hours, tasks and projects, and usage by apps and websites. In the Analytics tab, you'll get to see some real actionable insights. You get a full productivity report, see a breakdown of where your employees' time is going, and have your very own productivity coach. Let's see another critical report, the revenue report. Here you can see how much money you exactly made. You can see your highest paying client, your best earner, and the most profitable project. And you also get to see a full breakdown of revenue generated by employee, by team, and by client. Here is another great report. Estimated time versus actual time report shows you exactly what the name says. how much time was estimated for completing a task or project, and how much time was actually spent. This critical insight shows you how accurate your forecasts were during the project planning phase, allowing you to adjust planning for the future projects. We even have the option to integrate timegram with your favorite tools, like Jira, Asana, and others, allowing your team to seamlessly track time and activity. If you have any questions, you can find answers or reach out support from within the app easily. Before I end the demo, I want to quickly go back to the tracker to show the tracked activity and how it can be logged to tasks and project. When you open the tracker, you can see the automatically recorded activities and also the data from the start-stop timer. You can check the activity logs of your tasks too to see the captured time for that specific task. You can even exclude websites you want to avoid tracking them, ensuring only the most relevant activities are captured. There is also an option to add manual time for activities that could not be tracked on your system. Activities like off-site meetings, client phone calls, etc. We have a full approval process in place where the manager or the admin approves those manual time entries before they are added to your employee's report. Thank you for watching the demo. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email anytime.